the country's hot combo handicap. Hot music for hot celebrities.
Excuse me. Are you Joe Mappa? You know, like the forest flipping?
Yep, that's me.
Wow. You know, I'm an actress too. I'm
Minute Lucid.
You know me? That's so nice, Nolan. So, do you want to dance?
Well, Mitch, I think you're very pretty and all, and really nice person, but I'm married.
But, that's not what I... Alam mo, kapal na mukha mo eh.
Wait, Mitch, wait. Sorry, let me start again. Would you still like to dance with a married man?
Well, why not, Peanut?
Come on.
Lead the way.
Eksklusibo, sariwang balita. Dalawang artista ang natitingan ng ating agent na nag-check-in sa isang biglang litong motor hotel. Ang lalaking artista ay miyembro ng dating idol group na Guapin at ang babae ay boarded sa isang reality show. Ngunit ang nakapagtataka mga kakosa, matapos lamang ang 15 minuto ay nag-check out na sila.